How can you detect a leak in your gutter and fix it yourself? It's not all that difficult as long as you know how. Let's start right away.
I've already climbed onto this roof and I feel quite good here.
If you have a leak, you first have to find where it's coming in. And of course, that is often not that difficult. You have to calculate or measure that exactly, and then you go onto your roof. Do it calmly and safely because you obviously don't want to fall off.
So let's take a look. I see that a repair has already been done here with sealant, which is not how it should be. And if you look closely, you'll see it's torn there. And you see it's torn next to the welding. That's because the zinc becomes thin with age, and then it often tears at the corners or by the soldering. The zinc is so old that we can no longer solder it. So I'm going to clean it thoroughly and cover it with the Batu tape. Then I'm going to put in the order and advise to get a new gutter made, because this gutter has seen its best days. I'm going to thoroughly dry it first. It's not even taxofoot, it's just black sealant. Well, look, I purchased the search list.
Okay, let's heat that up first. You just need to heat up the top a bit and it will melt nicely. Like this. Next part. Well, first press it well into the corners. That's part one.
There's a bit of a thickening there, but that doesn't matter.
Well,
Apply it nicely.
Nadia.
Listen. It's a permanent fix. So, we'll overlap it by 5 centimeters. It's just a matter of examining the situation. No, that's how I understand it. Just making those corners a little thicker.
Dick.
How much have you already done? Fit.
Me, right?
Yes. I thought so. So, well, the advantage of that stuff is that it dries pretty quickly. For me, it can just rain from the start.